Hello creative minds, welcome back to my channel. I'm Susan Joke, the creative director of Sujokum of Creativity. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to make the detachable bow turban cap. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Like, comment and share my video. Let's get started, guys. Raw material are scissors, tape rule, matching color of thread and needle, then tailor's chalk. For band base, you cut out your egg circumference. So my wideness is 12 inches wide by 12.5 inches length. 12 inches wide by 12.5 inches length. It's for my base, my turban base. Then my band in fold is 12 inches wide by 4 inches length. Then for my detachable bow, I cut out 8.5 inches wide by 10 inches length. I also cut out a small piece of fabric of 3 inches wide by 5 inches length. This is what I'll be using as the loop for this my detachable bow. So what I'll be doing now is I'm going to fold. Now I'm doing the round shape turban cap. So I'm going to attach my band to my base. I'm going to close it up, but I'll be leaving 2 inches. I'm be leaving 1.5 inches opening here that I'll be placing my bow and my loop on it. Then for my loop, that's the 3 inches by 5 inches wide. I'll fold it into 2 this way and I'll sew it down. I'll take my 10 inches wide by 8 inches length. I'll fold it width wise, as in the 10 inches wide. Then I'm going to sew from here to here. I'll also sew from here to here. I'll sew from here, leaving like about 2.5 or 3 inches opening for me to turn out the fabric. So I'll take them to my sewing machine now. I'll sew them and get back to my turban cap. And I left 1.5 inches opening here. And I've also sewn my 3 inches wide by 5 inches length. So what I'll be doing now is I'll be turning my cap to the right side this way. Then I'll take my loop. From the right side will be facing up like this and the wrong side will be facing down. Then I'll pass it inside my turban cap to come out from this 1.5 inches I opened. Then I'm going to bring it out to my band this way. So I'm going to arrange it like this. Then I'm going to pin this down. I'll pin it down before taking it to my sewing machine. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to sew it down this way. Then after sewing it, I'll turn it to the right side. Then I've also made my bow. Then I turn it out. This is the 2 inches opening I use in turning it out. So I'm going to use invisible stitch to cover this. So after covering, I'm going to make my bow. You make your running stitches with it at the middle like this with your needle and thread. Now I'm going to attach it inside the loop. So I'm going to make my bow, make my running stitches on my bow. I'm going to attach my loop like this. Then I will turn it and get back to us. So I've finished tacking my loop together like this. So what I'm doing is I'll be flipping it to the other side this way. Then I'll put the place I joined. I'll be putting it inside on the wrong side. Is it? So I'm going to adjust my cap very well. Yes. So I've also made my bow. So what I'm doing is No, I told us this bow is detachable. You can wear your cap like this, and you can also attach your bow. So I'll be putting my bow inside this way. Yeah. Yes. Wow, isn't this looking beautiful, guys? I remain our one and only Susan Joke of Sujok Beats and Crafts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, so I'm almost done. What I'll be doing next is, after this opening now is too wide, so I'm still going to take it to my sewing machine, and I'm going to close the remaining parts. Then I'm going to gather the back of my turban, just the back from this side down to this end. So I'll gather it now, do the finishing, and get back to us. I've attached my bow. This is it. Then I've done my finishing. I've done make my running stitches from here, and I've closed the remaining opening here. Isn't this looking beautiful, guys? Thank you so much for watching. You can embellish it, or you can leave it plain like this, depending on what your customer wants. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.